Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to set player limits in games. Sometimes, in certain games, you might want to restrict players to playing only once per day or perhaps once per week. To do this, head over to the Configure tab within your game settings and scroll all the way to the bottom. Here, you'll find the option to set the player limit. If you prefer not to have any limit, you can simply choose No Limit, which is the default setting. However, if you want to set a custom limit, you can choose Set Custom Limit. For example, you might decide on a limit of one play every 24 hours. This means a player can play the game once and must wait 24 hours before playing again. You can adjust this time frame to your liking. After setting your desired limit, make sure to click on Save Changes. Once you've done that, a game limit screen will appear on the left-hand side. This screen will be what users will see when they have surpassed the allowed limit. They won't have access to the game but will instead be greeted with a message like, "Please try again after one day." You also have the option to customize the background and decide what message to display here. Additionally, if you want to guide players elsewhere even when they can't play, you can add a button that redirects them to a specific link. You can modify the button text as well. Think about what message you'd like to convey to players who try to play again after their initial session. Once you publish these settings and test it out, you'll find that players can play once, but if they try to play a second time, they won't be allowed. So, Since I've already tried out the game once before showing you this demo, the screen now indicates that I've reached the limit. And that's basically how it all works. Thank you for watching.